Hello, everyone.
Ta 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 da. Hello everyone, my name is Dmitry Kotov, Neuron.Expert company, and our guest today is Pavel. And today we won't just chat, we actually have a practical goal for our meeting. Pash,
Hey there,
I don't know
you
what
did the big few
time to work. So yeah, the purpose of our meeting is to such a digital assistant which easily integrates into the site and also works as a Telegram bot. And he will learn these skills very quickly. I'm sure it will be useful for many people. Pasha, what task do you have? So, as far as I understand, we need to create some sort of universal assistant for people. For those who want to understand the war
Which
better,
do not really catch fire,
plus
right?
VR and
for
stuff.
fun, huh?
Yeah, izari da access izava da ko.
I was said
Yeah,
but
Ila Sokoli vastas ir sadik Viridi whatever kunde wanako. Londa badi on this this se gubando sa the buena sa shikada.
awesome. Pasha, tell us a bit about yourself. Seems like you have an interesting background. What do you do?
I'm an expert in marketing and I have good skills for myself.
Deszka szkodniejsza dało już in mark
Hails.
yes woda in the also yes of the para yeah Wasata deva salary museums, and they are particularly invested in to be on some here the noa de penser yes Suzaga na de min mi Jianxia.
Yeah, listen. I think we can, to not complicate things too much, we can just use the basics knowledge. We need to somehow give him knowledge. And I think it would be effective to use study material. Binance Academy, and just arrange this page for him. They have everything.
Conveniently, everything is gathered on one page.
Let's see how it handles this knowledge. Alright, we're here.
Alright,
It might be interesting probably for you to do this directly on your account. So I'll probably navigate you through these interface intricacies. I hope you find it appealing and convenient. Alright, let's go. Pasha, please share your screen and log into Neuron. Tato Expert is a site where you can create such amazing assistants on AI. Alright, go straight to the dashboard. Login. here we'll call some email probably in the top right corner. It's easier to just Google it and register here. You scroll down and click on by continent and games.
Along with the meestal?
No, not necessarily. Just
Surrounding-
Like, awesome.
Yeah.
Yes, we're here and we're making a custom assistant. See that little plus icon at the bottom?
Yeah. I have a small delay.
The video might not sync perfectly with the audio, just a heads up.
Well, what's he suggesting?
We need to give it a name now, I think. So, do you have any ideas for naming this bot? What should we call it? Oh, to us.
Allora,
Go.
Or sending it to
Now send me complete instructions for help.
He's reporting
Next, I recommend checking the knowledge he needs to work with.
And now look, he's suggesting send me the instructions now. I mean,
What am I even supposed to do?
I think it's not really important which details you write. He'll adjust based on the final benefit. Users come to it, a French guy, to... He will be receiving the answers in French. That is, we are working on making it universal now. Here's someone who works in every language. So now we have to tell him what to do. Well, he has a simple task in my opinion, just that, answer every question. Just write it like this. Answer the question they ask you.
Just write in Russian. He'll understand.
But the question is...
The one asking you...
I apologize.
Now you can't send me more information or click on Create Assistant.
Look here, and now
I sent you the link to this Binance Academy. Check it out on Telegram. And, let's show him as an example where to get the information from. Yeah, send me more info. And here we are just telling him where he can get this information. You could probably attach some kind of
text
commands.
add-on.
Here's how you can link to a website. It's convenient for those who have some websites. Describe in words what knowledge we are giving him. We can later add, fix and update everything further, but these are the basic settings. So if you found this link on Telegram, let's copy it and send it to Moose. Initially, we want you to know this. What there is at on the site of Binance Academy.
It's so that
I've added this URL to your system.
You added the assistant.
and here
I'll give you a discount now. And send. There is
So, you want to invite the guys as guests, right?
guys, or maybe just like I'm asking them to listen.
Yeah.
All right, listen. I'll send you a link that you can forward.
yeah, we'll be expanding your audiences.
Also, created a website where everything will be.
Great. Well, I've sent you the audios, so let's wrap up with the guys and continue. We have the cherished Create Assistant button to see the results.
Let's move on.
On the left, there's the Create Assistant button. We're ready, meaning this information is enough for
starting to
him
create
right
the
now.
system.
Now it's going to spin and blink. In a few seconds, this page will show up. Then it will load. So basically, it's more or less ready to work now. Let's try talking to it. You have a preview at the top. Button, see, there is his call in the preview. Let's have a chat with him.
Hey there.
Yes. Uh-huh.
The
Yes, there you can customize your avatar. It could be. Here's our basic neuron, our mock peak.
Look, I mean,
Let's ask something. I mean, if you want something.
So there are two modes. Talk mode to have a chat.
There's a chat mode depending on. Are you taking the subway? Or what is more comfortable for you right now?
come on, I'll try my best. So, get out. No. Get out from the top, the tongue.
But still, if you start now. Speak to him in English and you in Russian, he will probably understand you but might mess up, so it's better. He'll probably still understand everything you tell him in Russian, but he'll respond to you in English.
Okay, all right.
Good.
Professor.
Hello,
He already
I'm
heard
Kirill
you.
Magafomitov.
What is blockchain? Good evening.
Good evening. A block is the fundamental unit of data in a blockchain. It contains transaction information, a timestamp, and a cryptographic link to the previous block. This structure ensures immutability and data security in the blockchain. Is there something specific you're interested in about blocks? Apologies for any inconvenience, but please clarify exactly what you're curious or concerned about so I can help better.
How to integrate blockchain on the website?
Integrating blockchain into a website can be a challenging task, but the basic steps include choosing a blockchain platform. Decide which blockchain platform you will use. For example, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and so on. Create your own blockchain platform. For example, Solidity for Ethereum. 3. Deploying the smart contract. Deploy the smart contract on the chosen blockchain platform. Integration with the website. Use libraries, such as Web3.js, for interacting with the blockchain on the client side.
Well,
We will
I'll
develop
go
a
now.
server that will interact with the blockchain and provide an API
Please
for
click
your
that
website.
bottom green button.
Security measures. Make sure all aspects of
Now
blockchain
it will attach
interaction
to
are
someone
secure.
else.
That's it. Uh-huh.
Yeah, thanks. So basically, we noticed that with the first question, it takes a bit longer to initialize, but then
it's
that's all for now,
speeding
right?
up.
It can answer questions. They can do it in any language, like listening and answering. And there are two modes available: chat and talk. To whom, like to which user?
At the moment, it's more convenient.
It's a bit empty on the left now, but you can set up some requests and user questions there later. It fills up. The goal is to watch and see. Now we're closing this viewing mode, and let's try to get the chatbot working based on this thing. That is, this thing takes away this one. The embed code you can put on your site when you make it. But so far, our main idea, as far as I remember, was to make a chatbot in Telegram.
Yeah.
Close.
the next video.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, the thumbnail.
Second.
The thumbnail. Well, this one. Yeah, this guy at the top.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And here we have several tabs where we can customize this, the interface, how it will look on the street. This is essentially the instructions and knowledge. You can throw some documents there. Tools are what he should be able to handle. Come on, let's see how we do it. We'll turn it on, then go into tools.
And we'll enable it, for example, colleagues, check marketplace.
Upper. So, for example, moving on, here's what it gives us. So he has to chat about the blockchain, and this guy is fishing contacts out of him. So send me your phone or email. Don't want to send me your your actual phone number or email. So basically, it generates the SIM. Generates a request no matter what services you offer. And then we continue with integration. Let's go to integration and try to get it running as a bot.
So,
Here, where we have a Telegram running, we need to insert the bot here. Here's the key we got. Remember, we used to keep it under the accordion.
Yes.
We went on Telegram and got an API key through bot fodder to create this bot later. All that's needed from Telegram is to get this key.
There. The
Moving
program is
on.
not modern, right? Let's try.
Hi.
For him,
How can I help
a
you
bit
today?
of a sappy guy, but you can give him the instructions later, be bold, Krypton, and help people understand the values of a decentralized world. So then he actually started interacting differently there. You know, like he asked something directly, like how's it going? Where's my in winter the surf laid on the big coach?
Love.
Okay. Sorry.
Oh, look, you see, he's already figuring something out.
Well, that's quite an answer.
You know, don't switch your phone on, no speak.
Here you can enable talk mode, but I don't seem to see how here though. So apparently we might have missed to check that box there, but we do have unique technologies. In chat format, in the Telegram interface, you can communicate. In a talk format, I apologize. I mean, the chat is clear, so we can talk to this bot like this. On Telegram, you don't see this often, but we can perhaps show it in the next broadcast, how it looks.
He is good, of course, my others, the other specifically to Curiously one, which Talabai Zelanda Kiabaman and also about Jukasu Katita Manada Chasita no Zada down tech and
See you next time, bye. Well, now you understand how it looks. Okay, maybe let's see what to show. It's very user-friendly how it works. We can put this guy up on the website just to see. Although basically you kind of saw how he works. The integration question, it's just a snippet of code that he provides.
Let's go back to the integration page.
You're sending this to
I'll
me.
show the finished product on the website, how it will look.
So what do we do?
So now we have connected, we have this unified brain called Professor PWK. We have connected it to Telegram, and now we're connecting it to the website.
I'll send you the
way it
site
should.
now. It will work.
I just understand that it might be inconvenient for you to go somewhere and look for access. So for simplicity, let's do it on one of my websites. Continue the game. So there are two options. Either we have a ready-made plugin for WordPress, and there will be universal embedded code. I think this universal embedded code will be more than enough for us. Switch to the left here.
So the top row is the WordPress plugin, and on the left is the universal embedded code.
This is the tab. Here's the code for universal.
Yes, sorry, just a moment. I see. Got it. I got it.
And
Yep, that's
This
all.
one, you'll send it to me.
I'm leaving now.
I'll
Yes.
Yo.
Check this out. I'm showing everyone this page. The insights of WordPress. Just insert the code and let's see how it works here. Nataze, I think I missed someone. What are the numbers you have? 700. This, and there, 130.
7 flesh.
Update and preview change.
Kakoznia. Now maybe it will be. Oh, that's it. That's our guy. And suppose we can chat with him there. Or kasik him. Professor, can you talk about smart contracts?
What benefit they bring to people.
Whether it is just a response from an LLM or if it uses the data we fed into it to check, we can do it. We can come here and ask him some specific question about the knowledge, like what is on a fundamental analysis. Most likely he should respond with these exact words, not others, and that way we'll understand. No.
How much
Well, did he exchange this knowledge?
Let's match it, yeah, exactly.
It replied something. Let's cross-check with the Binance. This is a method for evaluating a financial asset, you see. He answered exactly as it is written here.
To be continued.
Yeah,
Somewhere, I think.
Can you adjust the voice more?
Yeah. Look, these are just some decorative features, but we started with the avatar. You can change that. It will be like you or some sort of mock-up, some character. First of all, and then we'll allow changing from 6 to 7 basic voices. Yeah, they are universal in all languages.
Then maybe we will connect.
Some voices are more specific
Already
just by the
to
language.
be continued. So far, at the moment, there's no option to choose the voice, but soon there will be. For now, we've been working on the visual design. So now, I think, since I showed you how to embed it on the website, I think that's it. You will be able to get the next bot for your new startup.
You can do it yourself.
How do you feel? How difficult was it?
Ten, 15. I think everyone will cook.
Cool. Well, take a look at those decorations over there. Maybe those questions. Usually the most common ones are there on the left. Well, remember we used to set up modes here for colleague faces. So ideally, you should have it there by the second or third question. So what? Give it a rest. Leave your phone, we'll get in touch, maybe share something, and also your email. And then there's a tab for CRM in the admin setting where we were looking.
Ladies, the past contacts will now go into the CRM. Interaction with them.
Well, try calling there somehow, maybe monetize these things. You've made a useful input that tells people about something. And he gathers contacts from them, and you can already then something like selling
Marketing in Japan
programs.
gets done when I go there.
Well, what do you want? I mean, he's like...
Well, they ended up in the bot. That is the person from the Telegram ended up in the bot. He always, this bot can always send him personal messages until he disables it, but he won't disable it because it's convenient. He answers all the questions.
Question, but is only professor specialist.
He can talk about life.
This bot we made, it possesses the knowledge of all humanity, like a snapshot from the past. Well, imagine a timeline, like the left side is the past, the right side is the future, and somewhere at that point where a cat that's been trained for about 3 to 6 months knows everything. But that's also not a problem. Yeah, on one hand, On the other hand, he still gives priority to the topics with the knowledge that we backed up in his information repository, which
We gave him this link to
Binance, where he pulled all this information from. He includes it on AliExpress. So if he can find an answer to the question about with knowledge from scratch, he'll surely pull it out of there. If he doesn't know, he will go back and check. But there's an amazing option. What if it's about the future?
and there will be events there.
Nicht.
Like in Moscow.
In this case, there is a check mark in the tools. He can go online and do serious research on what events are happening today. So it universalizes. He's a jack of all trades. He can also draw pictures
There's a picture
and select. That is to say, depending on what you're building, you pick and choose what you need. He can draw, and being able to draw pictures depends on what you need. But I don't think your kids who want to learn more need pictures.
We have Edotru Paristi das strămăsini na pering bi areste shamastan the
Yeah.
Well,
Cool. To be continued.
Listen here.
that the
90 some sort of flash mob where everyone can come in and draw over pictures. Everyone can use any theme to draw on there. Send some kind of image there. Well, experiment and pick one of them. We'll like it because we can control it there.
So I draw it there and
Wolves in the forest. Oh, look, he draws there. Oh, and now in winter, and another wolf there. Scared some little Misha. What does Misha do? Misha runs away, but you'll understand yourself that if the wolf, if you try to catch little Misha, Misha will run away from you and might not even ride back. That's roughly how it should work. He understands the situation a little. There, nyaki nyaki. No context whatsoever.
there's an idea of what must be drawn there.
Well, I guess thank you for being with us. So, yeah, I hope this will be interesting. Yes, to developers who connect with Telegram and implement artificial text on websites. So then, see you soon.
If we don't have any questions,
All right.
all right. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Good luck.